All right, we're out for another day. We're just getting
Yeah.
ready to go for a dive.
Yeah.
And what are we going to get, buddy?
We're gonna get some sea urchin.
That's right. So that's what we're going to get. We're going to get some sea urchins.
Yep.
Yep. And we're going to do some sea urchins on buttered sourdough with some basil and some chili oil.
Yum diddly dum.
Yeah. Are you going to get the sea urchins?
Maybe.
All right, we're ready to go. Let's go get some urchins, hey?
Yeah.
All right, so we went down. We got some of our urchins. Okay. And what we're doing is now we're just cleaning our urchins and getting wonderful, wonderful yellow gold out. And you should get 5 per urchin. It's like a purple membrane on these guys. And so we're just going to come in here and we're going to scoop in behind there. And I mean, this is a boat snack. We're not doing this in a restaurant or anything. I'm going to set it aside. Look in there. You can see that beautiful one just there. Okay.
Whoa. That's
Awesome.
so cool,
That's
Dad.
a good one. Super simple, right? Butter on sourdough. Face down on the pan. Alright, we're just going to flip them over and have a look and see how they're going. Oh, look at that. That looks fantastic. Alright, buttery goodness. What do you reckon, buddy?
Yep, looks good.
Alright, so we'll give them a little toast up here. Not a bad spot either. Hey? What do you reckon?
Nope, not a bad spot.
It's a really pretty spot.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're just going to get our wonderful buttered sourdough. Pop it on the plate. So, we've got our beautiful buttered sourdough. I'm going to load up and put some of this beautiful purple sea urchin on each of these. Now, I think because Dad went down and got them all, I think Daddy needs more. What do you reckon?
No, definitely not.
Definitely not. I'm just going to get some of this beautiful fresh basil. Now, we picked this basil from the garden about an hour ago, just before we put the boat in. I'm going to put some of this fresh basil over the top. I'm going to get a little squeeze of lemon juice. And go a little bit of salt. Some beautiful flaky Maldon sea salt.
Tiny sprinkle.
Tiny sprinkle. Okay. And I'm going to get some chili oil. And a little drizzle of chili oil over the top. Now this stuff isn't too hot, so it's all good for Odie as well. And I'm going to have a little bit more than that. Another one. Some purple sea urchin, buttered sourdough with basil and chili oil.
Yum.
Yum. Right, what do you think? What do you reckon?
Pretty good.
All right, let's see how we go.
That's so good.
You good?
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome, big guy. What do you reckon?
Really good.
Yeah.
You almost have